me begin with a truth that most people will never fully understand. Life doesn't change when you wish. It changes when you decide. Every man and woman walking this earth holds within them an invisible power. The power of thought. This force, unseen and silent, has built empires and destroyed them just the same. The truth is simple. Your mind is the workshop of your destiny. Every thought you hold, every emotion you feed, shapes your future like an architect shaping stone. You think in fear, and fear becomes your prison. You think in faith, and faith builds your wings. History has proven this time and time again. Every great inventor, leader, or creator first saw what could not be seen. A picture in their mind so vivid that reality had no choice but to follow. But most people never train their minds to see that far. They react to life instead of creating it. They live by chance, not by choice. And that, my friend, is the first silent killer of success, the habit of drifting. Drifting is what happens when you wake up every day without a clear purpose. When your mind is filled with random noise instead of deliberate thought. The drifter blames his circumstances. The thinker shapes them. You are not a leaf being blown by the wind of life. You are the wind itself. If you don't direct your mind, someone else will. The world is full of distractions designed to steal your focus. But nothing can take from you the ability to think for yourself, unless you surrender it. And here lies the golden rule of success. Whatever you think about most of the time, you become. Feed your mind with power, discipline, and purpose, and the world must reflect it. Feed it with weakness and excuses, and the world will bury you in them. Understand this. Success isn't something you chase. It's something you attract. By the person you become. Man who cannot control his thoughts will never control his life. A woman who cannot control her emotions will never control her destiny. The universe rewards control, not chaos. So how does one take control? First, by defining a definite purpose. Ask yourself, what do I truly want? Not what others expect. Not what looks good on paper, but what burns inside your heart. Second, build faith in that purpose. Not blind faith, but faith built through action, repetition, and belief. When you move forward every day with purpose, the world begins to respond. Third, protect your environment. You cannot plant the seed of greatness in toxic soil. Surround yourself with thoughts, people, and influences that elevate you. Fourth, use the power of autosuggestion. The words you speak to yourself are the commands your subconscious follows.